Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle is a Killer Sudoku. Killer Sudoku number 8887. I've already written here in today's newspaper of Friday, July the 12th, 2024. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. And the news of today, well, I've told you earlier, again, mistakes are made in a press conference with Joe Biden. Yes, he switched the names of Zelensky and Putin, and also he called Vice President Trump. Yeah, I believe Vice President Trump. All right, we have here Killer Sudoku. Usually the Killer Sudoku I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in the additional, it will be a 3 stars puzzle. Alright. And we have 3 given numbers. Given number 5, given number 5, given number 6. In this triple box of 18, that means that those 2 boxes together should be 13. 13 plus 5 is equal to 18. This is a penta box with a given number 5. And we have here a triple box of 10. And with a given number 6 here, that means that these 2 boxes together should be 4. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. And the only combination for the box of, combination of the box of 4 is 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. Okay. Yeah. Let me see. Alright, my first strategy is to look for a big square. We have 9 big squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Looking for a big square with 1 sharing box. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1. This one has 1. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one is complete. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1. This one has 1. What you need to know is the total sum of a big square is always 45. If you count all these numbers, the total sum will be 45. 20 plus 10 is 30. 30 plus 15 is 45. It's a complete big square. The total sum of a column is 45. The total sum of a row is 45. Alright, let me start with this one. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Double 7 is 14. 14 plus 9 is 23. 23 plus 16 is 39. So 45 minus 39 is a 6. This box will be a 6. In the box of 9, the combination will be 6 plus 3. Okay, let's go to this big square. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Okay. 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 14 is 27. 27 plus 9 is 36. So 45 minus 36 is a 9. This box should be a 9. In the box of 16, the combination will be 9 plus 7. Okay. My next strategy is to look for boxes with only one combination. For example, here we have a box of 16, only one combination, 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7. 9, 10, 12. The box of 3, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. Well, here we have 3 plus 1. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. We have a 1 in this column, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 2. Okay, let me see for boxes. Okay, So we have 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next on that column. The only 2 places left for the 1 goes in the box of 6, combination 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. Okay. Then let me see. We have more numbers. Need a 9 here, need a 9 there, 9 and a 6, 9 and a 1. Alright. This is also complete. How about this box? 6, 12, 10, 10. Need a 5 here, 5 and a 7. Well, in this column, we need a 5. I cannot place the 5 in a box of 10, otherwise I need another 5. Double 5 is not allowed. Same for here. Box of 10, I cannot place the 5 in the box of 12. We have a 5 in this big square. So the 5 should be here in the box of 6. Combination 5 and a 1. 5 and a 1. Okay. 5, 5, 5, 5. 5 and a 7. Okay. We have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here then. 1, 2, 3, need a 4. 6 and the 9. 8 or the 7, okay. 9, 7. 14, 9, 7. Let me think. 1, 2, 3. Need a 5, 5 and a 3, 5 and the 8. Need a 5 there. 5 and a 1. Let me think. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. 6 here. 5 and a 3, 5 and a 8. 9 and a 3, 9, 6, 8 and 4, 9, 5 is 14, 7, 8, 5, 13, 8 and a 7, 9 and a 9 plus 5, 14, 6, 9, 4, 6. Well, in this big square, we need a 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here, or there. If I place the 6 in the box of 9, then the combination will be 6 plus 3. Well, we have a 3 in this column, so I cannot place the 6 there. Should be in the box of 15, combination 6 and then 9. 6 and 9, we have a 6 in this row. No 6 there, 6 should be here, and then 9 goes there. So we need a 9. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the last column, so no 9 there. So 9 should be in one of these 3 boxes. I cannot place the 9 in the box of 12, otherwise the combination will be 9 plus 3. The 3 is already used in this big square, so the only place left for the 9 in this column should be there. In the box of 15, combination will be 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. One of the missing number in this big square is number 4. I cannot place the 4 in this triple box of 20, otherwise the combination will be 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 11. 11 is not allowed. Should be in a box of 12, combination 4 and 8. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. Also 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 8 is equal to 20. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. I cannot place the 8 in a box of 9, otherwise the combination will be 8 plus 1. The 1 is already used in this column. Also, the 1 is already used in this column. should be in the box of 12. Combination 8 and a 4, 8 and a 4. So the other two missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, 2 is missing, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing, 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We cannot place the 3 in the box of 13, of course, so the 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. In the box of 13, combination will be 4 plus 9. In the box of 8, the combination will be 3 plus 5. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, 2 and a 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Need a 5 here. 5, 5 and a 4. 6, 6. 6 and the 2. 6 and the 8. 5 and 1, we have a 5 now in the last row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Need a 1 here. 1 and a 7, okay. 5 in this row, last row, 5 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left, the 5 goes in the box of 9, combination 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Hallo, goeiedag. Ja. Ja, zet maar neer, geen probleem. Yeah. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this row. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3. I cannot place the 3 in a box of 10, otherwise. Hoi. The only 2. If I place the 3 in a box of 10, combination will be 3 plus 7. We already used the 7 in this big square, so the 3 should be here. 2 goes there. So in the box of 9, the combination will be 3 plus 6. And the combination will be 2 plus 8.
Dus goed, dan doen we deze hierop. En als je zin hebt, dan ben je niet bezig.
Okay, 12 minutes already passed. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 4 and a 9. 2 and a 7, okay. 6. We need a 6 in this big square. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here, here, or there. I cannot place the 6 in the box of 5. Should be in the box of 14. Combination 6 and 8. 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. One of the missing number in this big square is number 7. Cannot place the 7 in the box of 5, of course, so it should be in the box of 8. Combination 7 and 1. 7 and 1. Well, we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so this box can't be a 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 1. 2 and a 7, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only place left with 2 should be there. In a box of 5, combination will be 2 plus 3. Alright. 6, 6. So we have a 7 here also. 7, 7. 5, 5. Need a 5 there. 2, 3. Let me think. 1, 2. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 2 and 8. 2 and well. These 3 missing numbers in this column are the numbers 1, 2 is missing, 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 2, 3, 4. Wow. Cannot place the 4 here because then the combination will be 4 plus 6. We have a 6 here, so the 4 should be here or there. 2 and 8. Wow, this is a hard one. 1. Let me go back to here. One of the missing numbers is an 8. Cannot place the 8 in a box of 7. Here we have another box of 7, so it should be in the box of 9. Combination 8 and a 1. 8 and 1. So we have 8 in one of those two boxes in the third box. So this box came in 8 and more. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 4. Okay, so 3 missing numbers here. 2 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6 and a 7 is missing. Well, I cannot place the 5 here in the box of 10, otherwise we need another 5. Cannot place the 5 here because we already have a 5 in this column. So the only place left with 5 should be there. The 2 is missing and the 7 is missing here. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. In the box of 10, combination will be 2 plus 8. Here, this triple box should be 7 plus 5 is 12 plus 6 is equal to 18. Need a 6 here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so in the row above only 3 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. In the box of 15, combination will be 6 plus 9. Either 9 here or 9 there. Well, we have a 9 in this row, 9 in that row, so the row between the middle row. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. I cannot place the 9 there because then combination will be 9 plus 5 is already 14. In this triple box of 14 should be here the 9. In the box of 12, combination will be 9 plus 3. So we have 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 3 should be here. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 4 and 8, we have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 2, I believe. 1, 2, yeah. In the box of 10, combination will be 2 plus 8. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 1 goes there, so 1 digit left in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 7 is equal to 14, so 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. 1 and a 4. 4 and a 9. 2 numbers left in the third column for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 4 goes there. 1 is missing in this big square. I cannot place the 1 in the box of 12. Should be in the box of 9. Combination 1 and 8. We have an 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, no 1 goes there. 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this one, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 9 goes there. 4 and a 9, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 4 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 9 and a 7, we have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 8 and a 1, we have an 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in the second row for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in the middle column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in the middle column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 19 minutes. Well, we solve it again. Faster than the 20 to 30 minutes. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one, so really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it all solved by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening. So have a great and fantastic Friday. Until then, bye bye for now.